You've seen the headlines, you've heard the hype. AI channels are screaming that Google's NotebookLM can turn almost anything into a compelling video in minutes. A single click, they say, and boom, a game changer for content creation. But let's get real. The one-click dream is just that, a dream. The default output? It's a start, but it's not pro level. We're talking robotic voices, branded watermarks on every single slide, and data locked inside their system. Some users are even calling the AI unstable and unreliable. This is what you get out of the box. It's not something you can send to a client or build your brand on. But here's the secret. NotebookLM isn't a finished product. It's an engine. And today, I'm giving you the keys. So let's forget the hype. I'm going to show you the 3 pro hacks you need to kill the robotic voice, execute the watermarks, and fix the data transfer problem. This is how you go from amateur AI to a professional video asset, fast. Before we hack the output, we have to lock down the input. The number one reason users complain that Gemini is unstable or unreliable is because they skip the single most important step. They let NotebookLM guess what to do. We don't guess. We take control. This isn't just setup, this is strategy. All right, let's move at light speed through the basics. You start a new project and you feed the machine. You can drag and drop PDFs, text files, paste in web URLs, and even drop in YouTube links to get a full transcript. NotebookLM will digest it all. Then you hit the studio panel. You've got your format options. Choose brief for a quick hit or explainer for more detail. And you've got your visual styles like anime or whiteboard to change the look. This is the standard out-of-the-box stuff everyone shows you. It's fine, but it's not the secret weapon. Now for the one feature that changes everything, forget the presets. See this little settings icon? Configure your notebook. This is your control panel. Inside, you select Custom. This gives you a 500 character box to give Gemini a role, a style, and a goal. This isn't a suggestion, it's a direct command. It acts as an accuracy anchor, steering the AI and directly fixing those unstable and unreliable outputs that frustrate so many users. You're no longer hoping for a good result. You're engineering it from the start. This is the non-negotiable step for getting professional, predictable results every single time. Now that our foundation is solid, let's execute the pros and eliminate the cons. It's time for the hacks. This is the money section. A solid setup makes the AI accurate, but accuracy alone isn't enough. The real pros know the secret is integrating tools into a powerful toolchain, and that's exactly what we're building now. These 3 hacks transform NotebookLM's amateur output into a polished, branded video you can actually use. Problem number 1, the voice. Look, Google's own tutorials say the voice can be surprisingly natural, and for a quick internal summary, maybe it is. But for any external audience, the default AI voice has a strong US accent and sounds like the speaker has just escaped from a management school. It screams AI generated and instantly tanks your credibility. You take a plain mid-size family car. Yeah, no thanks. The fix is simple. We perform a voice transplant. Once NotebookLM generates your video, you take the script and drop it into a professional AI voice tool. The most popular is a paid version of 11 Labs. You can generate a custom, natural-sounding voiceover in seconds that matches your brand and your audience. Problem solved. Problem number 2, the branding. That NotebookLM watermark is on every single page. It's a huge distraction and looks totally unprofessional. Most users complain it's a nuisance. It's yum. You're not advertising for Google. You're building your own brand. The fix is the Watermark Executioner. Import the video file into any standard video editor. Many users use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Filmora. I personally use Filmora. From there, you just drag your own logo or a branding bar right on top of it. You're not just hiding their watermark, you're reclaiming that screen real estate for your own brand identity. It's a 5-second fix that makes all the difference. Finally, problem number 3, trapped data. NotebookLM can generate these beautiful interactive mind maps from your sources. It's a fantastic way to visualize information. But there's a huge catch. As Google LM users point out, the mind map feature is not transferable. You can't export it like it's a picture locked inside their ecosystem. The fix is the text prompt bypass. Instead of generating a mind map, go to the Reports feature and create a briefing doc. The AI will synthesize all your sources into a perfectly structured text-based document with an executive summary and key takeaways. And what can you do with text? Anything you want. You can copy it, paste it into another mind map tool, feed it to another AI, or drop it into a presentation. Your intelligence is no longer trapped. You've bypassed the limitation. With a pro voice, your branding, and your data unlocked, you've built a complete professional workflow. So let's be clear. Is NotebookLM a one-click professional video creator? Absolutely not. But is it a phenomenal first draft engine? 100%. The real power isn't in that first click. It's in the workflow. By using NotebookLM as your starting point for research and scripting, then integrating it into a professional toolchain with specialist apps like 11 Labs for a killer voiceover and a video editor like DaVinci Resolve for branding, you unlock its true potential. You get the speed of AI without sacrificing the quality of a professional. That's the shortcut. That's how you win. If this breakdown helped you, smash that subscribe button. I drop productivity hacks like this every single week to help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.